Luxor Buffet. Our fill of bacon and coffee and pastries and whatnot. Yeah, I got stuff all over me.
In your shorts.
I need a bib. Oh my god. Oh, my shorts too. Oh my god, that doesn't look right. All right, well, that's good. Glad we're stopping in the room. It was giving me trouble too. I think it likes people to actually hold on to it until it's green, like it's supposed to. Not like a crazy savage. No, whoa, that one caught me off guard. Whoa. Oh my god. It's so scary. Why is it so scary? What if it's got ancient Egyptian powers or some kind of like curse or whatnot? But a good curse. I don't know.
Curses are good.
Whatever a good name or good curse is. I don't know.
Curses are innately. Oh my god. It's so creepy. Get out.
Oh my god.
Actually, the elevator made me a little queasy.
Elevator? I don't know. I wasn't riding an elevator. I was riding an inclinator.
Right. Every time I put my key away. Actually getting it on.
Yeah, I guess right.
Is there what?
I guessed correctly that this was the way to go down first. It's like a late American guy just out there like murder motel smoking a cigarette. It's every murder motel. Look at this view.
That one is right there.
Sure, nice
Cool.
shoppies.
You look across and you see people walking. It looks so cool.
I never even noticed. Look at a little bit of New York. What?
What?
Empire State Building. What the heck's up with that?
Why?
I don't remember that at all. Is that some kind of like what do you call it? Like and look at like they have what? What's going on? That was that what? That's weird. Is that like a little Easter egg or something? To nod to New York, New York. All right, back to our. Can't see it. Damn GoPro. Yeah, it's 20 bucks.
Jordan, wait.
Yeah, sheesh.